are you crazy, Jill? You can't light them up without an adult around. Why not? The sparkle is off for kids. Yes, but let me show you something. Never allow children to light fireworks. I told you. Oh. Even sparklers can burn at dangerously high temperatures, up to 1800 degrees, capable of melting certain types of metal. I didn't know that. Keep a bucket of water or garden hose on hand. Right here. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and warnings. Before lighting fireworks, be sure that all people are out of the way. Never hold fireworks while lighting. Never point or throw fireworks at another person. Whoa. Always have a fire extinguisher nearby. Right here. Oh. Always wear safety glasses. Especially right here. Never carry fireworks in a pocket or shoot them from glass or metal containers. Oh, I didn't know that. That's a lie. Gee, Mom sure thinks about things. Yeah, especially that note that says kids do not touch. Speaking of her, here she comes. Happy New Year!